Welcome to today's 5-minute loving kindness meditation. Our focus today is on releasing negativity and welcoming positivity into your life. This practice will help you clear your mind of tension and judgment, making space for love and gratitude to flourish. Let's settle in, relax, and begin. Start by finding a comfortable position. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in. And exhale slowly. Allow your body to relax with each breath, releasing any tension or tightness. Bring your attention to your breath. With each inhale, imagine drawing in positivity, a sense of lightness, love, and calm. With each exhale, imagine letting go of negativity, any frustration, judgment, or heaviness you may feel. Continue this rhythm for a few breaths, clearing space in your mind and heart. Now, silently offer these words to yourself. May I release negativity. May I embrace positivity. May I be at peace. Let these phrases settle into your heart, replacing any lingering negativity with warmth and kindness. Next, bring to mind someone who has recently caused you stress or discomfort. Instead of holding on to negative feelings, picture them in your mind, surrounded by a gentle, healing light. Silently repeat, "May you release negativity. May you embrace positivity. May you be at peace." Feel the tension between you dissolve as you send them kindness and understanding. Now, imagine this light expanding outward, filling your surroundings and reaching all beings. See the negativity melting away, replaced with love and positivity that flows endlessly. Silently wish, may all beings release negativity. May all beings embrace positivity. May all beings live in peace. Take one last deep breath, filling yourself with this positive energy. As you exhale, let go of anything that no longer serves you. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this sense of positivity into the rest of your day. Thank you for sharing this loving kindness meditation with me today. By letting go of negativity and embracing positivity, we can create a brighter and more peaceful world. I'd love to hear how this practice impacted your day. Please share your reflections in the comments below. Take care, and I'll see you in the next session.